ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯಂ. ಶುಕ್ಲಾಂಬರಧರಂ ವಿಷ್ಣುಂ ಶಶಿವರ್ಣಂ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಂ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನವದನಂ ಧ್ಯಾಯೇತ್ ಸರ್ವವಿಘ್ನೋಪಶಾಂತಯೇ. Namaskar and welcome all of you to the Amara Bharata channel, where we now start studying the Sharada class 9 Samskrita textbook. In that, the Prathamaha Pathaha Satyam Shivam Sundaram Samskritam. The meaning of this title is truthful, auspicious, beautiful Samskrita Bhasha. In this video, we look at the lesson along with an explanation in English. As usual, we start the study with a prarthana, with a prayer to Goddess Saraswati. This is Saraswati Prarthana. Let us all join our hands in Namaskara Mudra, Anjali Mudra, and pray to Goddess Saraswati like this. Shubhram Swachha Vilepamalya Vasanam Shitam Shukhandojvalam Vyakhyamakshagunam Sudhadhya Kalasham Vidyancha Hastambujaih Vibhranam Kamalasanam Trinayanam Vagdevatam Susmitam Vandetam Parameshwarim Bhagavatim Siddhipradam Sharadam. Saraswati is also known as Sharada, and Sharada is the name of your textbook. So we start with the prayer to Saraswati so that our journey through this book is smooth and without any obstacles, and we are able to successfully complete the entire book within the stipulated duration. Now we go to the lesson. The meaning of this title, Satyam Shivam Sundaram Samskritam. Satyam means true or truthful. We can also tell as authentic. Shivam is Mangalam, auspicious. Sundaram is beautiful. Samskritam is Samskrita Bhasha. There is an introductory paragraph which we study. Samskritam Bharata Deshasya Sampat Asti. Samskrita Bhasha is the wealth of our country, Bharata Desha, which is India. Asmin Bharatiyanam. Asmin means in this language. Bharatiyanam Jnana Vaibhavam Sanchitam Asti. Is accumulated the glory of knowledge of Bharatiyas, that is Indians, from time immemorial. Samskrita adhyayanena manavaha susamskritaha bhavati. By the study of Samskrita language and literature, a person becomes refined or purified. Susamskrita means he becomes refined, purified. Bharatiya Bhashanam Sucharu Rupena Adhyayanartham Samskritam Nitaram Apekshitam Asti. In order to do a study of Indian languages in a very elegant or beautiful manner, Samskrita Bhasha is highly essential. I can tell about Kannada, especially about Halagannada, from what I have heard from scholars. If we have to understand the real Halagannada literature, we need to have a strong basis of Samskrita Bhasha, is what I have heard. Samskrita adhyayanena kim sadhitam bhavati iti vishayam adhikritya kavina sundaram geetam prastutam. Based on the topic of what all can be achieved by knowledge of Samskrita Bhasha, Sanskrit language, a beautiful song has been presented in this lesson by the poet. There are 6 verses, 6 shlokas in this song, and we go through them one by one. Now, this is the first shloka. I will sing this as a song so that you will never forget it. Bharatiyikata sadhakam samskritam bharatiyatva sampadakam samskritam ज्ञानपुञ्जप्रभादर्शकं संस्कृतं सर्वदानन्दसन्दोहदं संस्कृतम् भारतीयैकता साधकं संस्कृतं भारतीयत्वसम्पादकं संस्कृतं ज्ञानपुञ्जप्रभादर्शकं संस्कृतं सर्वदानन्दसन्दोहदं संस्कृतम्. Now I have sung it in a particular tune. You can also sing this in your own tune and post it online on your reels and give the link in the comments below this video. I will be eagerly waiting to listen to both your voice and your tune which you set for this lyrics. The first step what we do to understand this particular shloka is what is called as padacheda or padavibhaga, which is split of words. In a shloka like this, what the author will have done is they will have merged different words together in what is called as sandhi. They will have put all things in one word. Let us try to split them into sandhi and also into individual words so that we can understand the shloka better. Bharatiya Ekata Sadhakam Samskritam. Bharatiya Ekata is there. There is a sandhi form there. Bharatiya plus Ekata. साधकं संस्कृतं भारतीयत्व संपादकं संस्कृतं ज्ञानपुंज प्रभा दर्शकं संस्कृतं सर्वदा आनंद संदोहदं संस्कृतं. The next step what we do in understanding a particular shloka is to do what is called as pratipadartha, which means the meanings of the individual words. Bharatiya Ekata Sadhakam means achieving the oneness or unity of Bharatiyas, which are Indians. Bharatiyatva Sampadakam, instilling the feeling of Indianness in all of us. Jnana Punja Prabha, light from the bundle of knowledge. Darshakam, showing or displaying. Sarvada, always. Ananda Sandohadam, giving abundance or group of collection of happiness. Samskritam, Samskrita Bhasha. The next step is to do what is called as Bhavartha, which they have given in your textbook itself. Samskrita Bhasha Bharatiyanam Aikyam Sadhayati. Samskrita Bhasha achieves unity or oneness among all Bharatiyas, which is Indians, which is us. Bharatiyatvam Sampadayati, fosters Indianness, the spirit of being a Bharatiya among us. Jnana Samuhasya Prabham Darshayati, shows the radiance or the glow of the body of knowledge which is there in our country. Sarvada Anandasya Paramparam Eva Janayati Cha, and always verily generates a tradition of joy. This is what Samskrita Bhasha does, as what the poet tells in the first poem. Next one. Sarvamasthishka samskarakam samskritam sarvavani parishkarakam samskritam satpatha प्रेरणादायकं संस्कृतं सद्गुणग्रामसन्धायकं संस्कृतं सर्वमस्तिष्कसंस्कारकं संस्कृतं सर्ववाणीपरिष्कारकं संस्कृतं सत्पथप्रेरणादायकं संस्कृतं सद्गुणग्रामसन्धायकं संस्कृतं सर्व मस्तिष्क संस्कारकं संस्कृतं सर्ववाणी परिष्कारकं संस्कृतं सत्पथ प्रेरणादायकं संस्कृतं सद्गुणग्राम संधायकं संस्कृतं. This is the padacheda or padavibhaga. Now the pratipadartha. Sarva Mastishka Samskarakam, refining the mind's intellect of everyone. Sarvavani Parishkarakam, purifying or polishing the speech of everyone. Satpatha Preranadayakam, providing an inspiration to tread on the righteous path, Sadguna Grama Sandhayakam, generating a multitude of noble virtues. Sanskritam is Samskrita Bhasha, Samskrita language. So the overall meaning, Bhavartha, is like this. Samskritam Sarvesham Jananam Manasam Shodhayati. Samskrita Bhasha purifies or refines the minds of every person. Vachanani Parishkaroti, purifies or polishes the speech. Sanmargam Darshayati, shows the righteous path. Sadgunanam Samuhameva Utpadayati, and generates a multitude of only noble qualities. Next one. Vishwabandhutva Samskritam Sarvabhutaikataakarakam Samskritam Sarvata Shanti Samsthapakam Samskritam Panchashila Pratisthapakam Samskritam Vishwabandhutva Samskritam Sarvabhutaikataakarakam Samskritam Sarvata Shanti Samsthapakam Samskritam Panchashila Pratisthapakam Samskritam. So we split as follows. Vishwa Bandhutva Vistarakam Samskritam, Sarvabhuta Ekata Karakam Samskritam, Sarvata Shanti Samsthapakam Samskritam, Panchashila Pratisthapakam Samskritam. So the Pratipadarthas come like this. Vishwa Bandhutva Vistarakam, spreading the spirit of universal brotherhood. Sarvabhuta Ekata Karakam, bringing unity among all living beings. Sarvata Shanti Samsthapakam, establishing peace everywhere in all aspects. Panchashila Pratisthapakam, establishing the spirit of Panchashila. We'll just see what Panchashila means. Samskritam is Samskrita Bhasha. The overall meaning is like this. Bhavartha Samskritam Vishwabandhutvam Vardhayati. Samskrita Bhasha fosters the feeling of universal brotherhood. Sarvesham Praninamapi Aikyam Bodhayati, teaches the essential unity among all living entities, living beings. Sarvatra Api Shantim Pratisthapayati, well establishes peace at each and every place. Prasiddhanam Panchanam Shilanam Ritim Gamayati, and makes us tread the path of the famous 5 Shila, Panchashila, 5 virtues. What are those Panchashila? They are all given in your textbook itself. Panchashilam Kim? Swadhyayan Ma Pramadah. Panchashilam Kim? What is Panchashila? Bauddha Dharme. In Bauddha Dharma, which is Buddhism, Sada Charanasya Paripalanaya. In order for us to have good conduct or right conduct, Panchashilani Santi. There are 5 aspects. There is something called Panchashila. Yesham Acharanam Manushyanam Atyantam Labhaya Asti. Following these is very much beneficial to mankind. Tesham Vivaranam Asti. What are these 5? These are the following. Asteyam is non-stealing or non-covetousness. I should not get the feeling that I should possess something which belongs to somebody else by means of stealing. Ahimsa is non-violence, not just to human beings but also towards all living beings, animals also. Brahmacharyam is celibacy. Satyam is truth. Madaka dravyanam pariharaha, that is abstinence from intoxicating substances. And they have given a shloka here, and we'll see all these aspects of this shloka in this lesson itself. Etaddesha prasutasya sakashadagrajanmanah swam swam charitram shiksheran prithivyaam sarvamanavaah samskritam samskriter moolam jnana vijnanavaridhi veda tattvartha sanjushtam loka lokakaram shivam satyahimsa gunai shreshtha विश्वबन्धुत्व शिक्षिका विश्वशान्ति सुखा धात्री भारतीया हि संस्कृतिः. Next, the fourth one, त्याग संतोष सेवा व्रतं संस्कृतं विश्व कल्याण निष्ठायुतं संस्कृतं ज्ञान विज्ञान सम्मेलनं संस्कृतं भुक्ति मुक्ति द्वयोद्वेलनं संस्कृतं त्याग संतोष सेवा व्रतं संस्कृतं विश्व कल्याण निष्ठायुतं संस्कृतं ज्ञान विज्ञान सम्मेलनं संस्कृतं भुक्ति मुक्ति द्वयोद्वेलनं संस्कृतं त्याग संतोष सेवाव्रतं संस्कृतं विश्व कल्याण निष्ठायुतं संस्कृतं ज्ञान विज्ञान सम्मेलनं संस्कृतं भुक्ति मुक्ति द्वय उद्वेलनं संस्कृतं. What is the meaning? Pratipadartha will briefly see. Tyaga Santosha Sevavratam is the vow or the pledge of sacrifice. Santosha is contentment, Seva is service, Tyaga is sacrifice. Vishwa Kalyana Nishthayatam, having steadfast commitment to global well-being. Jnana Vijnana Sammelanam, being the confluence or the meeting point of spiritual wisdom and scientific knowledge. Bhukti, Mukti, Dvaya, Udvelanam, uplifting both the material prosperity and spiritual liberation. Samskritam, Samskrita Bhasha. So the overall meaning, Bhavartha, is like this. Tyagasya, Harshasya, Seva Buddhescha Vratam. Samskritena Labhyaha. By Samskrita Bhasha are obtained what all? Tyagasya, Harshasya, Seva Buddhescha Vratam. Promise of the spirit of sacrifice, contentment and service. Prapanchasya mangalam eva kartavyam iti jnanam. Knowledge that the only duty to perform is towards auspiciousness of the entire world, which means good to the entire world, global well-being. As I told you, vijnanancha sangamaniyam iti vicharaha. The thought that knowledge and science should proceed together. Bhogasya mokshasya cha margaha, and the paths to worldly comfort and spiritual liberation. Next one, fifth one. Dharma kamartha moksha pradam samskritam aihika mushmikoৎkarshadam samskritam karmadam jnanadam bhaktidam samskritam satyanishtham shivam sundaram samskritam dharma kamartha moksha pradam samskritam aihika mushmikoৎkarshadam samskritam karmadam jnanadam bhaktidam samskritam satyanishtham shivam sundaram samskritam. Dharma kama artha moksha pradam samskritam aihika amushmika utkarshadam samskritam karmadam jnanadam bhaktidam samskritam satyanishtham shivam sundaram samskritam. The Pratipadarthas come like this. Dharma kama artha moksha pradam, bestowing the fourfold goals of life, which are dharma, artha, kama and moksha. We'll see what these are briefly in a minute or two. Aihika amushmika utkarshadam, uplifting in this life and in the hereafter. Karmadam jnanadam bhaktidam, granting us the paths of karma, jnana and bhakti. Satyanishtham shivam sundaram, committed to truth, auspicious and beautiful. Sanskritam, Samskrita Bhasha, Sanskrit language. Now, the Bhavartha, overall meaning. Ihaloke paraloke cha samskritena utkarshaha labhyate. By Samskrita Bhasha, upliftment is obtained in this world and in the other worlds. Dharmasya kamanam arthasya mokshasya api sadhanani samskritena labhyante. The means for dharma, artha, kama and moksha are obtained by Samskrita. Bhaktim acharitum jnanam praptum karma kartum cha samskritam sadhanam. Samskrita is also the means for practicing bhakti, devotion, for getting jnana, jnanam praptum, for getting knowledge, and karmam kartum cha, and for performing our ordained duty, karma. Atah Sanskritam Satyam Shivam Sundarancha Asti. Therefore, Sanskrita Bhasha is authentic, truthful, auspicious, and also beautiful. Now, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, these are the fourfold goals of life. These are called as Purusharthas. Dharma is righteousness, duty. Artha is wealth. Kama is desire, and Moksha is ultimate liberation. The word dharma has a very wide meaning in our system. I just told it as righteousness and duty, but we can discuss just about dharma for about 8 hours at a stretch in a marathon kind of session. But I'll give you a very short glimpse of what dharma is by this shloka. Shruyatam dharma sarvasvam chutvacha avadharyatam atmanah pratikulani pareshanna samacharet. This is a shloka from the Padma Purana. Listen to the essence of dharma, and having heard it, bear it in mind, practice it. What is that? Do not do unto others what is disagreeable to yourself, which means atmanah pratikulani paresham na samacharet. This is eternal dharma. That's why it is called as Sanatana Dharma. It existed at all times before. It is existing at this current moment, and it will exist for all time to come. Do not do unto others what is disagreeable to yourself. That is dharma. We now go to the last shloka in your lesson, which is Shabdalalityalilavanam samskritam charumadhuryadharagraham samskritam vishvachetaschamatkarakam samskritam purvajanam yashasmarakam samskritam Shabdalalityalilavanam samskritam charumadhuryadharagraham samskritam vishvachetaschamatkarakam samskritam purvajanam yashasmarakam samskritam. The split of words is like this. Shabda lalitya lilavanam samskritam charu madhurya dharagraham samskritam vishvachetah chamatkarakam samskritam purvajanam yashah smarakam samskritam. So what is the pratipadartha? Shabda lalitya lilavanam, garden where the grace of words plays, where lovely words just play. Charu madhurya dharagraham, fountain house or reservoir of exquisite sweetness. Vishvacheta chamatkarakam, striking wonder in the minds of the whole world, amazement, wonder. Purvajanam yashasmarakam, living monument of the glory and fame of our forefathers, our ancestors. Samskritam, Samskrita Bhasha. What is the bhavartha? Lalita padyani samskrita vane vrikshaha iva santi. Lovely poems are like trees in the woods of Samskrita. Anveshakasya samskritam madhuryasya saundaryasya shitala grihamiva ahladakaramasti. For a person in pursuit, let us say a weary traveler searching for something, Samskrita is like a sweet, beautiful, cool house which gives happiness. Samskritasya shravanena akhilasya api prapanchasya janaha chamatkaram labhante. By mere listening to the Samskrita language, people of the entire world get enamored, amazed, astonished. Ata eva etadrisham samskritam asmakam bharatiyanam purvajaihi sampaditasya kirtirashehe dyotakamasti. Therefore, this Samskrita, with such characteristics as we just discussed here, illuminates the collection of fame and glories earned by the ancestors of all of us, Bharatiyas, Indians. Now, Sarvam Shabdena Bhasate. We need to know the meanings of the words. Amushmikam means of the other world. It's a Napumsakalinga pada, Prathama Vibhakti, Ekavachana. Utkarshadam means bestower of excellence. Napumsakalinga, Prathama Vibhakti, Ekavachana. Udvelanam is awaken. Ut plus vel dhatu plus lut. Napumsakalinga, Prathama Vibhakti, Ekavachana. Aihikam is of this world. Napumsakalinga, Prathama Vibhakti, Ekavachana. Karmadam is bestower of righteous action. Napumsakalinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Further, Charu means beautiful. Napumsakalinga Pra Ekavachana. Parishkarakam means refiner. Same. Punja is clump, rashi or a mass or a bundle. Pullinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Prabha is Strilinga word. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana means light. Prabha also means a ray of sunlight, a ray of moonlight, like that. Bhakti Dam means bestower of bhakti. Napumsakalinga pada, Prathama Bhakti Ekavachana. Then Madhurya Dhara is a Strilinga pada. Same. All of these words are Prathama Bhakti Ekavachana words only. Flow of sweetness. Vistarakam is expander. Leelavanam is garden for play. Satpatha means noble path or righteous path. Sandoha means group. These two are Napumsakalinga padas and these two are Pullinga padas. Now they have given an introduction to the author, Kavikavya Parichayaha, poet and poem. Varanasyam Vidyamanasya Sarvabhauma Samskrita Prachara Karyalayasya Samsthapakah Pandit Vasudeva Shastri Dvivedi Mahabhagah Gitasya Asya Rachayita. The poet of this song is Pandit Vasudeva Shastri Dvivedi, who is the founder of Sarvabhauma Samskrita Prachara Karyalaya in Varanasi, Kashi. Mahashayena Sarala Samskritena Bahavo Granthaha Virachitaha. Many literary works have been composed in simple Sanskrita by this great person, Sri Vasudeva Shastri Dvivedi. Apicha Samskrita Pracharartham Vipulam Sahityancha Prakashitam. And also much literature has been published for propagating Samskrita Bhasha. A lot of this literature is available for download in the form of PDFs from the website archive website. Paramartha Sudha iti Samskrita Patrika api etena sampadyate sma. A Samskrita paper by name Paramartha Sudha was also edited by him. Surabharati Sandeshaha Swargiya Samskrita Kavi Sammelanam Bhojarajye Samskrita Samrajyam Kautsasya Gurudakshina Cha Ityadayah Granthaha Asya Kritishu Suprasiddhaha Santi. His famous works are Surabharati Sandesha, Swargiya Samskrita Kavi Sammelana, Bhojarajye Samskrita Samrajyam, and Kautsasya Gurudakshina, and also others. This brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video with the exercise part of this very lesson. YouTube Amara Bharata Shubham Bhoyat Mangalamastu Vande Mataram Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.